Tonight, record oil. Insurance fight.
We have no fire insurance, we have no theft insurance.
Flooding claims leave a Saskatoon homeowner out in the cold. And keeping your promises. Tips on how to make sure you live up to your New Year's resolution. Now to other news, and tonight a Saskatoon homeowner doesn't have any insurance on her home. Not because she can't afford it, because her insurance company decided that 2 sewage backup claims was too many. As the CBC's Steve Pasqualato reports, now she can't find another company to insure her house.
Melanie Enright is extra cautious these days. She uses her stove only when she has to, and she threw out her Christmas tree on Boxing Day.
It's been a nightmare. It's been extremely stressful. You're on high alert all the time. Every time I go to the stove and cook something, I'm paranoid. Therefore, we are no longer able to provide you with homeowners insurance.
Enright has reason to be worried about a fire. She's been without house insurance since Monday. Cooperators General Insurance Company sent her this letter telling her that her policy wouldn't be renewed. Last summer, her sewer backed up twice after heavy rainfalls.
The water came all the way up past here, and it wrecked the new high-efficiency furnace. That all had to be replaced in the house, as well as our hot water heater, where you can see.
So Enright filed 2 insurance claims, one for $22,000 after the first flood, and another one for about $7,000 after the second. Now, Cooperators General Insurance says she doesn't meet underwriting guidelines.
We have 2 insurance claims that are not our fault, and they're dumping us when, we've been a good customer for 12 years. Now we need our insurance company, and at the time that we need them, they go ahead and abandon us, and I don't think that's fair.
Enright has been trying to find another insurer, but she's been turned down by 4 companies, including SGI. She says she's willing to give up flood insurance, yet she still can't get even basic coverage.
We have no fire insurance, we have no theft insurance, we have 3 small children. We feel sick. We feel absolutely sick.
A spokesperson for SGI says he doesn't know specifically why Enright was denied coverage, but says previous claims are one reason to turn potential customers away.
We have to protect our shareholders, the people that we are insuring currently. So basically, to let other people in with a lot of claims, that could put our existing customers at risk and at the end of the day, have to increase their rates as a result.
A sink down here in the corner as well. And then
Enright says in addition to being uninsured for any damage to her home, she also can't access any equity and worries that her situation would make it hard to sell her house.
And for more on the story, we are joined by Steve Pasqualato in Saskatoon. Steve, what is the City of Saskatoon saying about all of this?
Well, Costa, the city says it's aware many residents in Enright's West Side neighborhood are having trouble getting insurance because of the flooding. But it says the flooding is not the city's fault, that its storm and sewer systems are adequate. The city says global warming and changing weather patterns are to blame. So now it's retrofitting storm and sewer systems in the area. Melanie Enright is on a waiting list for work to get done on her house, so it may not happen until spring. So she's hoping no flooding occurs before then.
Indeed. Well, what are Melanie's options regarding insurance here, Steve?
Well, there aren't many. Companies such as SGI say if you're already a customer and you've filed several claims, even large claims, it likes to keep its clients. Perhaps it will increase your premiums. But in Enright's case, Cooperatives General Insurance has already rejected renewing her policy. The company didn't return our calls today, although an official did call Enright to say it's not changing its position. She's hoping the provincial government will step in and help.
Interesting developments here. Steve, thank you.
You're welcome.
Now here's